Hello guys, how are you today? I am excited to share with you a topic that I am really passionate about. What is? And how to make an arbitrage in the world of cryptocurrencies. An arbitrage in this context is buying a token at a lower price than the normal market and selling it for a higher price, thus earning a profit. So, how does it work? I personally use 3 platforms for everything: MetaMask, Binance, and Trust Wallet. In this case, my funds are in Binance. Let's go to my Binance wallet. Spot, and here I have the 102 USDT that I will use. To determine the profit of this arbitrage, we'll take 2 steps. First, we'll go to CoinMarket, search for SXP, and take note of the price. 0.3515 USD. Second, we'll go to the SXP website and note the value, 0.287 USD. At a glance, we have a good profit at the moment, approximately 18%. Now, I'll go to Trust Wallet and enable the currency I'll send and the currency I'll receive, USDT on the BEP20 network. It's important to always remember to confirm the network you'll use. And I'll do the same with SXP on the BEP20 network. I'll copy the Trust Wallet address to receive the 102 USDT. I'll go to Binance. Click on Wallet and Spot. I'll click on Withdraw. Paste the address, select the network, BEP20, and enter the amount. I'll click Withdraw and confirm. Depending on your Binance security settings, you may be asked for 1 or more security codes. Once complete, I'll go to Trust Wallet. Remember that to make transactions with BEP20, you should always have some BNB for fees. A couple of dollars is fine. I'll go back to the SXP website, select the currency I'll use, USDT, BEP20, enter the amount, 101 USDT, and click Buy. This will take me to Trust. I'll click Continue and then Confirm. I'll wait a few minutes for the transfer to take effect and receive my SXP. Check this out. 337 SXP equals 121 USDT. That's a profit of $20. Now I just need to send the SXP to Binance or PancakeSwap to convert it back to USDT and start another arbitrage cycle. That's it. Guys, I'll keep profiting as long as I can. Hope it goes well. See you in another video.